I'm Scott Mitchell. I'm with OMNI-X. We are a manufacturer of tube forming tools globally. We serve the industries of aerospace, automotive, furniture, shipbuilding, energy sector, and HVAC industry, climate control. And that's a big reason of why we're here today at IMTEX, to meet these customers in these various industries in their own turf, on their own ground. Here you will see some of the products that we offer, as well as some of the finished products that people use our tooling to manufacture. We manufacture durables tooling like bend dies, clamp dies, pressure dies that people use in a rotary draw bend process in order to manufacture very high precision, high quality tubes for bending for automotive, aerospace, furniture, and HVAC applications. You'll see here, this tube has baffles installed with it. Normally, this would be a product that was used in automotive or in HVAC, climate control. This tube presents unique challenges that normal tooling solutions wouldn't be able to solve. For us, we're enabling our customers to really truly involve themselves in an industry, in an area of an industry that they might not otherwise have access to. Automotive industry is also very critical to us. You'll see here a silencer component from an exhaust system. These spinning tools and these various tools that are used to form these tubes into these finished products, they're very highly engineered, manufactured to very precise tolerances in order to create the end product. These are probably our most competitive product worldwide, mandrels. For mandrels, we were able to create an articulated ball mandrel that goes on the inside of the tube that allows the tube to be bent to very tight radius with very thin wall without collapse or other deformation characteristics. In addition to mandrels, we also manufacture tools meant to prevent wrinkling on the inside of the tube as well during this rotary draw process. This is really critical in automotive and aerospace applications where they have very distinct and precise geometry that's required for the tube. In order to accomplish this geometry, you have to bend very tight applications that then will tend to wrinkle on the inside of the tube. The wipers that we offer here are in a various different solutions for different needs in different industries. In the automotive industry, there's a focus on high volume, in repeatability, and in economy. For that, we offer an inserted wiper die solution that allows automotive companies to repeatably manufacture without increased costs that's associated with it. For the aerospace industry, their focus is more on quality, precision, and in scrap reduction. In those applications, we would recommend a square back wiper made from a solid block of aluminum, bronze, or steel that allows them to manufacture to their precise requirements. Each industry has their own needs, and as such, and with the growing industry in India, we obviously have various solutions for all these different industries in order to accomplish their goals. One of the compelling reasons of why we invested in India was due to the demographics and economic growth that we see coming in India over the next couple decades. India obviously has a highly democratic government. They're very stable in the middle of an sometimes unstable part of the world. And in Asia, we see this as an area that we can focus on for growth to provide our tools and our services to our customers who are in this region. And for IMTEX, this is where the focus of India's industry comes in order to see new solutions, worldwide, global, world-class solutions that are offered that allow this technology, the R&D that's happening worldwide, to be exposed to the Indian market. As such, we also see things from India and innovations here that we want to try and bring elsewhere in the world as well. That creative spirit and that innovation that comes from the Indian market is something that we hope to both take advantage of and harness in our worldwide service to our customers. One of the most important features that customers are demanding worldwide is sustainability and better use of resources. In doing that, we've developed a reconditioning process for tooling. One of the most effective ways to save resources and be sustainable is, instead of replacing something which requires you to scrap the existing part and remanufacture a new part, is to reuse it and upcycle it. This reconditioning process that we have developed allows us to take existing tooling and recondition it to like new standards, or better sometimes. In those situations, we're able to take a core of steel and coat it. And when we coat it, we have basically a finished product on the outside that only requires this reconditioning, doesn't require a whole new piece of steel. Same as this with this main body of the shank. You can see the amount of material that you save by this reconditioning process. In doing so, we like to think that we're promoting the Indian market and globally in order to use sustainable solutions in what can sometimes be an unsustainable industry. Easy and cheap solutions often cost quite a bit of money when it comes to the environmental and community aspects of the places surrounding them. In doing so, this is OMNI-X's commitment, is to try and develop economical, accessible methods in order to bring world-class tooling solutions to the world and to India.